So I'm going to start with a very well-known myth which is there. How many of you have heard that people say that 99.9% of the people fail? The fact is, this is a lie. The fact is that 100% of the people fail. Until that 1% of the people who keeps on trying and trying and trying and trying and trying again and again, redoing it, re-innovating it multiple times, are the ones who make it, are the ones who make it into the 1% crowd. But इसके अगेंस्ट एक और क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. Are they the most hardworking? Who knows? Are they the most passionate? Are they very dedicated with their thing? नो. द आंसर इज नो. ये सब सिर्फ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो काफी ज्यादा फैंसी हैं और सुनने में अच्छे लगते हैं. बट द फैक्ट इज दैट दीज थिंग्स प्ले ओनली अ माइनर रोल इन योर सक्सेस. द मैजिकल वर्ड, द मैजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अ पर्सन विच प्लेज द मेजर रोल इन देयर सक्सेस इज द वर्ड परसिस्टेंस. हिंदी में हम इसे अटलता कहते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ परसिस्टेंस? द मीनिंग ऑफ परसिस्टेंस is sticking to something. चाहे जो हो जाए, you keep on trying and trying again, re-innovating, redoing it, and that's how it becomes the most powerful characteristic for a person to become successful. So today in my talk, I'm going to talk about how persistence can take you from dust to destiny. Hi guys, my name is Harshak Sinha. I am the founder and CEO of Digity, which has worked with 35 plus brands India and abroad, and we have done I educate people about business, branding, marketing, advertising on my social media channel. I just started when I was 15 years old. Film making, ad banana, marketing, advertising, content creation was something which I was always interested around. तो मेरे को इतना तो पता चल गया था कि I'm very curious to around content, around scripting, editing, and cameras and everything. Second thing which contributed majorly was being in a middle class family. हम सबको ये चीज़ पता है कि आर पेरेंट्स प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम ऑल दी hardships of the lives. They always tell us, they never disclose us the problems of the family, financial challenges हो या जो भी हो. They always keep us protected from it. But मेरे साथ उल्टा हुआ. What happened with me was that I was always disclosed the problems of the family. चाहे वो financial challenges हो, चाहे वो किसी भी तरह का घर का कुछ issue हो, या फिर कैसे we are dealing with all these problems. बट इसकी वजह से एक बहुत ही मेजर चीज हुई. आई गॉट एक्सपोजर. एक्सपोजर की वजह से क्या होता है? एक्सपोजर की वजह से वी बिकम मोर मेच्योर. हमें पता चलता है दुनियादारी कैसे होती है, लोग कैसे होते हैं, एंड ऑल दी स्ट्रगल मेड मी एक्सपोज टू ऑल दी सिचुएशंस. जो एक्सपोजर लोगों को 24, 25, 26 साल की एज में मिलता है, वो एक्सपोजर मेरे को सिर्फ 15, 16, 17 ईयर्स की एज में ही मिल गया. Because of my parents, they did keep me protected from all the problems, but they made sure कि मेरा भी opinion, advice matters at such a young age too. Exposure की वजह से मेरे अंदर maturity आई, and I was always born and brought up in a way कि मेरे को किसी भी तरह के decisions लेने के लिए I can take my own independent decisions. What happens is कि mostly parents, family, and the friend around you decides what you want to do, and you get influenced by them. But rather than that, I was born and brought up in a way that I was told कि मेरे को अपने decisions खुद लेने हैं. Whether it be an XYZ stuff, let's take an example that if I want to do something XYZ, I need to make sure कि मैं उस पर कोई भी stereotypical opinion अपना नहीं डाल रहा हूँ या stereotypical mindset नहीं डाल रहा हूँ कि ये इसी तरीके से होना चाहिए. I made sure that I prove it and justify it because I was going to take an unconventional path. Third thing is that a lot of people look at problems as big issues and stuff, but I took it always as challenges. When I grew up, we had to leave Bombay because the family was struggling and there were financial challenges and everything. So this leaving Bombay thing made me very mature. I was involved in everything and stuff, but as I moved to Bombay, as I moved out of Bombay, we moved to Gujarat, from where I did my 10th. And while I was academically very weak, when I was academically very weak, I took it not as a problem, but as a very big challenge for me. कि मेरे को अपने लाइफ में अगर मेरा एकेडमिक्स वीकनेस है तो मैं उसको किस तरीके से डील करूं that I perform really well in it. I always wanted to do something, तो फिर 10th में I scored 90% plus in my 10th board exams. And after that, I decided to, start taking actions in my life because I always knew what I wanted to do, how I want to make my business content grow into the field of business, branding, marketing, and all these things. So I got into the spiritual space. I juggled a bit around thinking what to do, what not to do. And I wasn't born with a silver spoon. मेरे पास वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का प्रिविलेज नहीं था कि मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ एंड माई फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स आर स्टैंडिंग बाई कि भाई यू इफ़ यू रिक्वायर फंड्स, इफ़ यू रिक्वायर एनीथिंग, वी आर देयर फॉर यू. मेरे को जो भी करना था स्क्रैच से करना था, खुद से करना था, विद नो अदर वे आउट, बिकॉज आई वॉज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर माई ओन एक्शंस. With the same attitude, I started my journey in 2021 with content creation, freelancing, business, and काफ़ी सारा काम एक साथ मैंने चालू कर दिया. I worked around strategies, I worked around learning about what and how and whys of business. And while I started, soon I realized कि starting एक बहुत ज़्यादा easy point होता है. The thing is that आपने आज कुछ सोचा, you can execute it tomorrow, but life is very uncertain. If you decide to do something, probably after a couple of weeks, couple of months, probably doing it for a year, things can go up and down. Things will not work in your way. Things will not work in your favor. But that is where I realized that I am having the same 24 hours as rest of the people are having. Everyone has 24 hours. The game changes where this utilization of 24 hours changes. I was having 3 tuitions, competitive exams, business भी build कर रहा था, content भी कर रहा था, freelance भी कर रहा था. But I thought in a way, I looked at the clock in my room and I told myself कि यार मेरे पास भी वही 24 घंटे हैं जो सबके पास है. The thing where the game changes is how I make the maximum utilization of these 24 hours. अब ये 24 hours को utilize करने में challenge क्या है? To make the maximum utilization of these 24 hours, you need to have maximum discipline. And discipline is the most difficult part for a person to be in. Because it's boring to do the same thing over and over again without getting results. It's because we are humans, we are not machines. We can't work in a proper systematic manner all the time. Maximum लोग यहीं पे हार जाते हैं. But I changed my mindset there. कि अगर मेरे को कुछ लाइफ में डिफरेंट करना है, if I have to do something unique, I have to juggle between all these things and I have to make the maximum utilization of this time and prove it. So I choose to invest my time very wisely. But the problem is, a lot of people, they don't realize कि वो अपना टाइम किस में और क्यों डाल रहे हैं. They have आज की डेट में एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना, बिजनेस खुद का चलाना, ये सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी ग्लिटरी हो गई, काफ़ी फैंसी हो गई है. Everybody wants to be an entrepreneur. Everybody wants to have the business, have a business, have a team, and a lavish lifestyle, fame and money, everything. But the thing is that the people who run behind these things will never get a positive outcome. Like for example, how did I validate my process? I dropped out of the most reputed BBA college in Mumbai in just 3 days. Why I did that? Because while I dropped out, I was already having 1 or 2 clients onboarded. I was already having 1 lakh plus followers on my Instagram channel. It was very risky, but the idea was not just an idea. I shifted back to Mumbai because Mumbai had a whole history with me, with my life. I shifted back to Mumbai and started making a life here in terms of business and stuff and everything. So while I started doing things here, I made sure that the idea is not just an idea, it's in the execution phase. अब इतने से इतना सबसे जो मैंने अभी कुछ बोला है, you might have got an idea कि before taking any action, you should make sure कि आपको एक level का exposure हो. Without exposure, you won't be able to understand how life works, and that will make you go through a lot of friction. Second is, whatever you decide, don't decide it on the basis of just an idea. Decide it on the basis of the validation of the idea and how well it is performing. Make sure that you are doing it not only with the intention of profits and glittery outcomes, but with the intention of building something meaningful. Now, when I shifted to Mumbai, I had validation, I had a little bit of exposure, a little bit of validation, I won't say a lot. But when I shifted to Mumbai, the main important role which played was the right environment. The right environment plays a very major role. जैसे जो मेरे अराउंड मेरी फैमिली थी, फ्रेंड्स थे, को फाउंडर्स एंड एवरीवन, द टीममेट्स एंड एवरीवन, दे ऑल वर हंग्री टू बिल्ड समथिंग. नो वन वाज लाइक कि मेरे को बस करने को करना है. दे वर ऑल पैशनेट अबाउट देयर स्टफ एंड कैसे मतलब उन्हें लाइफ में कुछ आगे करना है. अब जब तुम्हें राइट एनवायरनमेंट मिलती है तो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये हो जाती है कि यू डोंट डाइवर्ट फ्रॉम योर फोकस. बट वेन यू आर इन द रॉन्ग सर्कल, वॉट हैपन्स इज कि आसपास के लोग तुम्हें इन्फ्लुएंस करने लगते हैं, तुम्हें ब्रेन वॉश करने लगते हैं टू सेटल फॉर लेस. प्रॉबेबली आप कुछ ए बी सी सोच रहे होगे, वो लोग को वो सारी चीज़ें अलाइन नहीं करेंगे, एंड उल्टा दिल ब्रेन वॉश यू टू go lower and settle for less in your life. So these two things are very, very, very important. After that, validation, passion, right environment, एक external चीज़ें जो आपकी है वो सारी चीज़ें fulfill हो गई. Now let's come to the internal factor. The internal factor is how passionate you are, how dedicated you can be, and how much your luck supports you, how much hard work you can do. All these things comes on you. The thing is that when we started, we got an office space, we had started a bootstrap business, and we made, zero balances in the bank a lot of times. We had physical, mental, emotional breakdowns, we had business model not working, and we had a lot of challenges. But itne sabse, if I recapitulate today, in the last 2 years, we have worked with 35 plus brands. We have did crores in revenue. We are having a quite big team, lavish office space, luxury cars, freedom of doing what we want. And all this which I told you, hard work, passion, dedication, luck, let me tell you, it played only 20% role in making these things happen. All these words, which are the most popular words told by the most popular motivational speakers, played only 20% role. The 80% role was played by the word persistence. How? Let me tell you, listen to this carefully. Probably, it's a human body. We all are humans. Probably we were not able to work hard all the time. Probably the right environment, which I say, my parents, my co-founders, my teammates, they didn't agree with me a lot of times. Probably the hard work and dedication we put into making the business model, we put into performing and everything, didn't work out. So what worked out? We were thrashed down multiple times, the ideas were not working out, but because we stick to it, we were very stubborn in a way that, okay, I have to do this, we'll do it again and again, jo hoga dekha jayega, let's do it again and again, redo, reinvent and stuff. These things worked out. अब major issue यहाँ पे ये आता है कि it is very easy to think it in a way कि persistence is very easy. Stick to something, be there for a while, for a longer stretch period of time, and things will work out. But ये जितना सुनने में easy लगता है, ये उसका reverse है. Sticking to something without getting any results is the worst thing you can go through. Because आप hard work करते हो, आप dedicated रहते हो, passionate रहते हो, but at the end of the day, you are not able to get results out of it. That's where anxiety starts and all the tension starts कि यार कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, but that is where ये phase के through एक बार जो निकल जाता है is 80% work is done to become successful or to build something in their lives. If you'll ask any successful person, irrespective of age, caste, gender, geographical boundaries, they would say that patience and persistence played a very major role in their success. And why that happened? Because they stick to it. Time is a very valuable currency. Time is what is the most difficult thing to pass. Time is the most exciting thing to come. And the characteristic you need to master time is persistence. Knowing that you are starting from a down and dusted phase of life, but at the end of the tunnel, there's destiny waiting. But if and only if you have the persistence and the patience to cross the tunnel. Thank you.